In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Emergency contacts are a part of your iPhone medical ID feature, allowing essential numbers to be available even from a locked screen. That's why I recommend for all of you to add yours, just in case. To do that on iPhone 17, begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Emergency SOS. This section here available under Face ID and passcode. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Set up emergency contacts in Health. Quick tip I would recommend for you to enter all of those informations, just in case, like I said before. Before adding any numbers, make sure this switcher next to Show when locked is green. Thanks to it, those informations and emergency numbers will be available from locked screen. Let's continue. Scroll to hit Add next to Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact here. Then tap on the chosen one and pick one of those options. I will go with Friend. Then do exactly the same with all the other contacts you need. In order to remove any contacts from this list, not from your device completely, only from Emergency Contacts list, click on this icon on the left. Sorry, misclick. Then choose Delete on the right. If you want to edit one of those contacts, click on it and choose Relationship Status if you made a mistake before. Either way, when you're ready with all of your contacts, use this icon of a checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can tap on Emergency at the bottom left corner. Click on Medical ID, also at the bottom left corner, and see my emergency contacts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!